first time performing, so remember that. Yeah.
All the best.
Thank you.
Please tell us about your outfit.
I'm wearing Manish Malhotra. It's my first time wearing a sari on the green carpet, so it had to be Manish Malhotra.
And how much time did you take to
Why is
get
everyone asking that question? How long does it look like I took to get ready? हाँ यार बोलो भी.
Divya, which designer are you wearing?
I'm wearing the designer from UAE, Michael Singh.
Oh, nice. I was just talking about the same to Nora also. Seiko is very famous at Cannes also. He's very pretty. And what is your checklist for walking down the green carpet?
जी 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 सो मैंने दुबई का ही डिज़ाइनर पहना है माइकल सिंह को एंड या इट्स अ वाइट आउटफिट
What's your checklist for green carpet?
I think just to have my team with me so that they take care of me because generally outfits बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं so on green carpet you know थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है खुद से carry करना so yeah they're all there.
Do you get nervous before hitting the green carpet or red carpet?
No, I don't think so. मैं excited हूँ आज because मैं perform कर रही हूँ so I'm really looking forward to it and yesterday audience की energy इतनी pumped up थी सब लोग you know यहाँ पे इतने excited है to see the entire Bollywood so I'm very very excited to perform.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
आज आपके लुक के बारे में बताइए.
वेल ये तो आपका ओन सलमान भाई का डिज़ाइनर एशली रोबेलो जी ने बनाया है सो yesterday it was कुछ हटका लुक था which was a black rock star outlook you know because IFA Rocks is the theme ना तो he's the one who's made my costumes for all the days.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज सलमान जी को मिल के और वहाँ उसके साथ बातचीत करके क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Sorry?
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज आयशा के बारे में?
Oh wow!
फाइनल डे.
See, मैं आज तो I'm representing my entire South India film industry over here today. मुझे डायरेक्टली एंड्रे ने एक इनविटेशन दिया है और यहाँ पे आने के लिए बहुत लकी कंसिडर करती हूँ और आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट आई एम हियर टुडे एंड आई गेट टू हम कोविड के बाद यू नो ऐसे एक महफिल में हम सब मौजूद हैं इसके लिए मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ गॉड. So I'm really looking forward to this event today. And we haven't seen a lot of our stars perform on stage together. We haven't laughed together in a long time. So this is going to be one such memorable evening for all of us.
Can you get your? मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. आप बोल रहे हो कि आप साउथ की पूरी इंडस्ट्री को आप रिप्रेजेंट करने आए हैं.
Yeah.
मेरा ये सवाल है इतने सालों से हमने कभी कोई साउथ का ऐसा एक्टर नहीं है जो आईफा में परफॉर्म करते हुए नहीं देखा है. तो आपका उसका ओपिनियन क्या है? मैं आपसे ये भी जानना चाहूँगी जो अभी आजकल लैंग्वेज वॉर की जो डिबेट चल रही है उस पर आपका क्या ओपिनियन है?
Well, I think you know just like we try to break barriers in color, हमें languages में barriers break करना है. और अभी क्या है कि स्ट्रीमिंग दुनिया आए हैं यू नो स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स की वजह से हम तो सभी लैंग्वेजेस में फिल्में देख सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ टाइम फॉर अस टू बी वन नेशन बिफोर वी फाइट एज अ नेशन विद अदर कंट्रीज यू नो. हमें पहले वन नेशन बनाना है, एक लैंग्वेज, एक ही मकसद, एक ही थॉट यू नो. So I think this is a beautiful time of change for India and more than that, also women are changing in so many ways. So it's a very exciting time. And when you spoke about South representation, आपने जो पूछा, I was not aware that before this there have not been a lot of South performances. But now it is changing because yesterday, if you looked at it, Devi Sri Prasad actually is one of my colleagues from the South. And today, in fact, I heard that there are going to be a few actors actually coming from the South who have come to Ease My Trip and all that. So we're going to have some more faces from the South, you know. But I am truly, truly blessed. I'm very happy. In fact, I knew Andre from a long time ago, and I have performed once in IFA Utsavam as well. There were only 2 IFA Utsavams in the South. So when I got this direct invitation, it was like, you know, it came from top. I was like, why am I being called? I was like, did you make a mistake? But it was really nice, an honor. Definitely an honor, and I hope this leads to a lot of beautiful opportunities for me as well in Bombay, which I've been hoping for a very long time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Namaste ji.
So tell us about your outfit. You are looking amazing.
Thank you. This is an outfit by Abhishek Sharma, and I think it's stunning because it's totally inspired by the corals and the fishes, and I think it's just really stunning. I'm very excited to wear this tonight.
शर्वरी आप सबसे ज़्यादा किसकी परफॉर्मेंस का इंतजार करेंगे?
आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा तो सलमान सर की होस्टिंग की मतलब इंतज़ार रहेगा, क्योंकि इतने सालों बाद वो होस्ट कर रहे हैं, और आई थिंक टाइगर और शाहिद सर का परफॉर्मेंस जो होने वाला है. थैंक यू.
थोड़ा सा
Yes, of course.
Yeah, just turn around. As a film goal view. Just wait.
Thank you guys.
पहले तो आने ने मराठी आज का
परफॉर्मेंस आप देखना चाहते हैं?
सो आज ये मेरा तीसरा दिन है आईफा में. आज ये मेरा तीसरा दिन है अबू धाबी में, एंड द सेकेंड डे फॉर आईफा अवार्ड्स, पॉपुलर अवार्ड्स. बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं जो नॉमिनेट हुए हैं, एंड कल मेरा एक जो दोस्त है, ही वन द ट्रॉफी, and I'm literally looking forward to Noora Fatehi's performance, the live performance. I've seen her dance and I'm a fan of her dance, and I'm really looking forward to her performance.
आपने अभी बताया आप 3 दिन से अबू धाबी में हैं, आप कहाँ घूमिए और आप लोगों को क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे?
यार आप जो है, आपने ये जो अबू धाबी वालों ने यास आइलैंड जो भी बना के रखा है, वो इतना दिलचस्प और इतना खूबसूरत है. I went to different places, and you know the views are breathtaking from like I went to this Buddha bar, and वहाँ से the sea view is so good कि आप वहाँ पे जैसे बैठ ही जाते हो. मैं वहाँ पे 4 से 5 घंटे थी, and there was a ladies night, and then you know इतनी खूबसूरत औरतें वहाँ पर आई थी. So I think I've seen the beauty of Abu Dhabi.
अमृता सेम मराठी.
अगं बाईक.
मराठीमध्ये काय सांगा?
ओके, सगळ्यात प्रथम म्हणजे आज मी येताना मला प्रिया म्हणी भेटल्या. त्या म्हणजे आपल्या साऊथ ॲक्टर आहेत, फार मोठे ॲक्टर आहेत, आणि त्यांनी चंद्रमुखी हे गाणं पाहिलं आणि त्यांना चंद्रमुखी हे गाणं फार आवडलं असं त्यांनी मला सांगितलं. आणि त्या आणि मी आम्ही चंद्रावर रील देखील करणार आहोत. अबुधाबीबद्दल सांगायचं तर खरंच सो अबुधाबीबद्दल सांगायचं तर मी गेले 3 दिवस इकडे आहे आणि खूप मजा करते. यास आयलंड इतकं सुंदर आहे, कुठूनही तुम्हाला समुद्राचा अतिशय सुंदर व्ह्यू मिळतो, अँड आय एम रिअली एन्जॉईंग माय टाईम हिअर. आणि आजच्या दिवशी मी नोरा फतेहीच्या डान्सची खूप वाट बघते.
सलमान
Salman sir is going to anchor anchor the show. So I'm really looking forward to that. कारण आपल्या सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहे ते खूप मिश्किल आहेत, खूप नॉटी आहेत. सो ते कसं अँकरिंग करणार आहेत, लेट्स सी. बाय बाय.
Just change.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, this is your first Alpha. I want to ask you, how is your attending
Tell us about your upcoming project.
In Bollywood, in Hindi, well, I have film. I've just finished a film called Maidan with Ajay Devgan sir, and a couple more interesting projects are in the lineup, or they've already lined up. We'll make the announcement soon.
Your song is damn popular. 1, 2, 3, get on the dance floor. Can you say 1, 2, 3, get on the alpha floor?
Of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the IFA floor. All of us are already there, so yeah, can't wait.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Which designer are you wearing?
Don't get
Again.
Don't get me on the name. Thank you.
How was your first day yesterday?
It was good. It was like a teaser to the movie. So today is the movie, and I'm gonna enjoy it even more.
Please tell us your skincare routine.
My skincare routine. So I make sure that I have a good cleanser and a good moisturizer.
Shahid over here.
What's up? How are you guys?
You're looking very good. Which designer?
Wearing Gaurav Gupta.
You're performing tonight. कितनी बारी रिहर्सल कर दी?
काफ़ी बारी rehearsal कर लिया. I try my best to rehearse as much as I can. You know, I started as a dancer when I was 16, so it's a habit for me to rehearse as much as I can. I never feel comfortable when I haven't rehearsed. So, thank you.
How much of the cricket have you learned so far?
I think enough for one lifetime.
The interview is done.
कैसा लग रहा है में आके?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It's feeling very nice and I'm just walking the green carpet.
वो इंतजार कर रहे हैं वो लोग.
सर एक मिनट के लिए.
हाँ बोलिए.
मैडम
आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ आए हैं?
हाँ हाँ मेरी पत्नी इधर है, मेरी बेटी उधर है.
बेटा यहाँ पे.
सर आपकी एक्टिंग हम लोगों को बहुत पसंद आती है.
अरे थैंक यू सो मच, शुक्रिया. आपको पसंद आती है इसीलिए मैं करता हूँ. थैंक यू.
सर एक डायलॉग.
डायलॉग पैसे लेता हूँ उसके. मैं बुलवाएगा.
नहीं पकड़ नहीं वाला.
What does alpha mean to you?
Coming back to cinema after 2 years after the pandemic, IFA means hope. IFA means showing the world how good Indian cinema is, that we are better than the best in the world. And if you can create a traffic jam in Abu Dhabi that lasts for more than half an hour, which means Indian cinema.
यहाँ पे भी सर एक फुल
एक बार नमस्ते दर्शकों.
Namaste darshako, adab darshako, hello darshako.
Sir, I have a good one for you.
Yes.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Pass.
Pasu.
Sarah, what are you wearing today? You're looking absolutely stunning.
Thank you very much. I've been styled by Tanya Khavri. I'm wearing Faraz Mana.
Today you remember.
Yes, it's a slightly easier name. I made a mess yesterday. Yes,
How excited are you today?
very excited. I think it's great that we're all here. We get to be together and celebrate together, and I'm really looking forward to some performances, all performances, and just best of luck to everyone.
अपने स्टाइल में एक बार चकाचक
अभी अभी होने ही वाला है.
कल भी नहीं किया
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You performed yesterday, right?
Yes, I did.
So how was the experience?
It was amazing. It was very nice. The crowd was very, very energetic. So yeah.
Were you anxious?
Well, of course, I was very nervous. It was my first performance, but I think at the end of it, I felt very happy. And when I came down, I was like, shit, I wish I could do it again.
Your throat was also not fine.
Yes.
Better?
Yes. No, actually, it's not, honestly. But then I think it's the excitement and also a lot of talking loud, which I shouldn't be doing.
Whose performance are you looking forward to today?
Tiger's performance. Yes, my favorite.
What outfit are you wearing today?
So I'm wearing a dress by Zia Germanos. These were two custom-made dresses which he made for yesterday and today. So yeah, today it's him again.
All right, happy birthday.
राइट ये लग रहा है कि मैं डेजेवू कर रहा हूँ. कैसी है तू? मैं ठीक हूँ. ठीक है. पूछ ले कितना पूछना है.
इतने दिन में कहाँ अबू धाबी में घूमे और कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हो मराठी में सांगा
घूमे नहीं है आज बहुत नर्वस दिन था so I'm here and I just want to go inside and sit and see how the show is.
You are nominated also.
Yes, I am.
How's the feeling?
Jittery.
Are you excited, nervous?
Both.
Did you pray that you win?
Yes, of course. Of course I did.
All the best.
Thank you.
कहीं जरा
आपका कल पहला दिन था दोनों का साथ कैसा रहा?
यहाँ पे आ जाइए
You are nominated also.
Yes.
So how's the feeling?
I'm very excited, very happy, very grateful, and I just hope the best person wins.
And how was your experience yesterday with ended the show?
It was lovely. We had a great time. We had a great time.
Thank you.
excuse me
Thank you.
इधर हेलो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर हैप्पी दिवाली हैप्पी होली
आज ही कर दिया
सब
फैमिली के साथ में आए हो अबू धाबी कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, अबू धाबी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है। तो खुश हूँ, पापा मामा भी आए हैं। तो सॉरी नहीं, एक्चुअली 2006 में आया था, लेकिन पापा के साथ आया था। आई थिंक दिस इज एग्जैक्टली मैं बहुत तो एज एन एक्टर यस दिस इज माय फर्स्ट। आई एम नर्वस, बिन नॉमिनेटेड, सो होपफुली आई विन।
How your life has changed after your debut?
Life hasn't really changed. It's the same. I think just people recognize me a little bit more, but other than that, it's pretty much the same life.
What are your upcoming projects?
Upcoming projects के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बात कर सकता. I think once the producer announces that, then I'll be able to speak about it. But I should start filming in September. Thank you so much, sir.
Well, very few actors with that background kind of work. What do you do for that?
I don't know, to be honest. I honestly, when I was a kid, I had a very squeaky voice, so my father was a little scared. Squeaky, yeah, very very high pitched. But just grew up to now have quite a deep voice.
Looking forward to more.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This IFA, how are you feeling?
That's why I'm here. I'm excited, nervous and excited. दोनों 50-50 चल रहे हैं.
How do you see her journey coming forward?
It's all the love she's got, and I'm so excited about that. And I hope she keeps working hard and being there.
एक बार आपकी पास्ता क्या हुआ?
माँ मम्मी आगे पास्ता के लिए पैसा लगता है बोलने के लिए.
Amazing. Had a lot of fun. I was totally starstruck.
And who all did you get ready today?
A lot of actresses.
So he was managing all the appointments. All my makeup artists were upstairs in the room. So we'll see all the looks now.
What about your style?
It's a wink. It's a wink.
You're giving competition to Karan Johar.
I collect them because I can't see without my glasses, so I just collect them. I'm going to be best friends with him on glasses.
Yeah, right. All the best.
Thank you.
हाँ जी, क्या बोलूँ? कैसा लगा अबू धाबी आके? अच्छा लग रहा है, जैसे हमेशा लगता है अबू धाबी आओ या दुबई आओ तो अच्छा ही लगेगा, और अच्छा ही लग रहा है, इस बार भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Sir, Khushi is making her debut.
Yes, she is. Well, I'm excited, happy, elated. The whole family is, right from Arjun, Anshula to Janvi and me both. All four of us are elated. And I'm sure Khushi herself is happy that she finally is getting to work after the hard work. She trained herself. She did a course in New York, and now she's got a good launch, good break, and a subject which is absolutely youth-centric.
मेरी एक्टिंग डेब्यू विद AK was in AK and now you did your full-fledged debut with Love Ranjan. Tell us about it.
It's fun. Earlier I used to fuss around the actors, and this time for a change they were fussing around.
सर लंबे समय बाद आईफा हो रहा है कैसे?
हाँ,
2 साल बाद आईफा.
मजा आएगा. देखिए ये 2 साल का पूरा कसर पूरा करते हैं कि नहीं करते.
So one question I want to ask you. You have acquired rights.
I couldn't hear you.
You have acquired a lot of rights in South films. Now
No, I've acquired rights I've acquired rights of Hindi films also to be remade in South.
Exactly. So what is your take on the current language issue?
Well, I belong to this world where language is not an issue for me. Good films is an issue. Be it Hindi, be it Tamil, be it Telugu, be it Kannada, be it Malayalam. Cinema has no language.
Can you all
Can I twirl for you? Sure. Okay, ready?
Wait. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, hi. There we go. Tell me. Oh, I'm wearing Michael Cinco. It's his fall 2022 collection. It's all handmade, hand painted, hand beaded. It's absolutely beautiful and it glows in the dark.
And you look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Nargis, where have you been? Why don't we see enough of you in Bollywood?
I've been looking beautiful.
And
Other
twirling
places.
around.
Yes, and twirling around. Exactly.
Alright, thank
Wait
you.
for visual, wait for visual.
Photo.
Visual.
Hi.
आज का लुक थोड़ा डिफरेंट है
आपको नजर आती है ना आपको ड्रेस को दिया है
हाँ पहले ड्रेस लुक पीछे भैया बोथ ऑफ यू कम टुगेदर
ये ठीक है
कौन आपके साथ
जी बिल्कुल जो यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स के सरकारी हैं और अबू धाबी की है आईफा अवार्ड्स की और पुरस्कार
हाय वो आई लव आज तक क्योंकि आज तक की सारी खबरें बताता है, वो बासी खबरें नहीं बताता, ताज़ी खबरें बताता है।
तो आज तक के दर्शकों को क्या कहना चाहोगे? आज आपका लुक थोड़ा डिफरेंट
आज मेरा गोल्डन गर्ल लुक है और आज मैं आईफा के ग्रीन कारपेट पे हूँ। आईफा देखने जा रही हूँ और एंजॉय करने जा रहे हैं ट्रॉफी। तो आज मैं आईफा की ट्रॉफी बन के आई हूँ।
कितना टाइम लग गया?
बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया रेडी होने के लिए। देखिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप किसी मॉम अपनी माँ को कभी नहीं बोल सकते कि मेरा बेस्ट बच्चा कौन है। तो एक्टर तो सभी अच्छे होते हैं। आई लव ऑल एक्टर। सलमान खान आज होस्ट करने वाले सलमान जी, बहुत मजा आने वाला है।
राखी जी से इस वक्त हम बात भी करें। राखी जी हम लाइव हैं इंडिया न्यूज़ पे। एक सवाल मैं आपसे जरूर पूछूंगा। कल आप ग्रीन कार्पेट पे रेड अवतार में थी, आज गोल्डन अवतार में हैं, तो जरा बताएं।
जी आज मैं ट्रॉफी बन के आई हूँ आईफा की, बिकॉज इट्स अ गोल्डन। सो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा कि कल मैंने रेड बनी थी ग्रीन कार्पेट पे, आज मैं गोल्ड बनी, गोल्डन गर्ल।
जी पुरस्कार मगर आप किसको देना चाहेंगी?
अपने आप को, इनको।
तो मैं लेके आया
मैं इनकी ट्रॉफी हूँ।
जी बिल्कुल। और आजकल इसके बारे में चर्चाएं काफ़ी हो रही हैं कि राखी को प्यार मिल गया है, तो व्हाट फील टू यू?
एक्चुअली ये जो मेरा मेकओवर है, जो प्यार है, वो इन्हीं की देन है, आदिल की। बिकॉज आई फील कि इनका प्यार मुझ पे झलक रहा है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
3 वर्ड्स में एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट और मैं एंटरटेनमेंट।
साथ दे रहे हैं। वी आर ऑल्सो
मैम पीछे आइए। उर्वशी, you just stand here, take a shot, you are doing.
जंगल पे आ गए, अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे। जंगल का थैंक यू। आइए मैम बाइट करते हैं।
आइए
अरे यहाँ पे जी बिल्कुल यही लोग जो हैं वो यहाँ पे ऐसे आयोजन जो नहीं हो पाए थे। आपके के बारे में बताइए और ड्रेस के बारे में। इस वजह से
my design is my gown is designed by Filipino designer Michael Cinco.
सीधा हम उनके पास भी चलेंगे। उर्वशी हम इस वक्त लाइव हैं इंडिया न्यूज़ में। एक सवाल मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, आपके लुक के बारे में जरा कुछ बताएं हमें।
This look is it's a gold and silver gown by designer Michael Cinco.
आपका ग्रीन कार्पेट मंत्र क्या है? आपका स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट क्या है?
Just I mean, just being confident and smiling.
What are you looking forward to see today?
Everyone to the artists inspiring Salman Khan, I really all are excited.
क्योंकि इतने साल बाद आयोजन हो रहा है, everyone's getting together, so feeling special.
Urvashi, you represented India at Cannes also. You were part of Miss Universe, right? Now so how does it feel to creating waves globally?
I'm really happy with the way I've been accepted internationally at the Cannes. It was a bit hectic for me because I was there too for my pan-Indian film, which was there. But at the same time, I was also there for Indian Pavilion, representing Indian government. So back to back, a lot of it's a great pride when you're representing your country at the Cannes, and it was my debut, which was very well received in Cannes. I still remember being best dressed by the Hollywood Reporter, and there were so many different portals which, the first look when I walked into that Tony Ward white tulle gown, it just went viral. I had me and my family had texts and calls from people all around the globe, and it was very well received. So the experience was really amazing, and I had a time of my life in terms of cinematically interacting with the directors from Hollywood and the actors and the screenwriters. There are multiple pavilions out there, Indian Pavilion, American Pavilion. So it's kind of very interesting. I made a lot of friends in terms of actors. In different, like for example in Germany or like LA, New York, I made multiple friends, multiple actresses became my friends internationally. So it was actually very nice. And yes, of course, being Miss Universe Miss Universe judge was the biggest, I would say it was a very prestigious moment for me because I was the youngest judge in the history of Miss Universe. So at that moment, India also won. So that it was a kind of a purely, I would say, a historical moment which was created there, and I know for sure that there was no other Indian present there, just like me and my team, my mother, like my family. So yeah, it was to witness a moment like that, and being a jury, it is very relieving for the eyes. So I think we all did a good job. And again, meeting the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Again, I mean, it's all. I'm just so thankful to God for giving me all these world-class opportunities in my life. I think it's a kind of living my dream. Thank you.
अपार से भी बात करने पे लाइव ऑन इंडिया न्यूज़ राइट नाउ क्विक वर्ड फ्रॉम यू ऑन कैसा किया कल का शो
थोड़ा सा आगे बहुत खतरनाक था और आज डबल खतरनाक होने वाला बिकॉज़ ऑफ कोर्स भाई इज होस्टिंग द शो एंड वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ऑल द सर बताइए क्या हाल चाल है ठीक है पंजाबी गाना काली तेरी गुत्त ते परांद तेरा लालड़ी रूप दी रानी तू परांदे नु संभालनी काली तेरी गुत्त ते परांद तेरा लालड़ी क्या बात है मजा आ गया थैंक यू सो
Okay, guys, please थोड़ा पीछे करना पड़ेगा. नहीं रंजीत पीछे जाना है. इधर जाना है.
So Mimi has been nominated.
Wait. Let you pick the visuals I have set back.
Yeah, visual first. Visual क्या लेगा? Very nice.
What are you wearing?
Yes.
Hi, okay.
What designer?
That's Michael Cinco.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, lovely designer, and the color caught my attention, and also the fit of the dress. So yeah, it was an instant choice.
This item must be really special for you. This whole nomination Mimi has received, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
What do you have to say?
Very, very excited. It's a very special film. It's always going to be very close to my heart, and I'm really excited that I'm nominated for the first time for the Best Actress category for this particular film, because it's just been so amazing as an experience for me, and it's gotten so much love, and to get the validation from IFA as well feels really, really great.
What is your checklist before coming to the
My checklist? I just check if I've like dressed myself well and just I fed myself so that this is going to be a long thing and just keep a gloss to touch it up because I eat my lip color very fast.
If you had to
big fan, but a bigger fan of you is my friend Dr. Ramesh Mola. He's texted me like 7-8 times already in the last 10 minutes asking, please. On that, please say hi, Amrish.
Sorry?
Just say hi, Amrish.
Hi, Amrish. Sure. Should I say it after all the questions?
Yeah, sure.
Otherwise, everyone will be taping hi, Amrish.
Kriti, if you had to walk the green carpet with one of the Bollywood actors,
Ryan Gosling. See how instant that was?
yeah. 3 skincare tips that you want to give your fans.
3 skincare tips. Firstly, stay happy. It really, really shows on your face. Have a lot of water and wear a sunblock, even if you're sitting at home in the day. It's just very important. Lots of amazing performances. I think Shahid is performing. I've been seeing some visuals, some rehearsal videos, which look amazing. And he's a great performer. Tiger's also performing, so I'm really going to whistle baja on his performance.
See, I would want to ask you, अभी म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में 2 बड़े-बड़े सिंगर्स की डेथ हो गई, what do you want to say?
It's obviously extremely shocking and sad, and they've been an inspiration, and their music is always going to stay with us. And I just feel like it makes us realize that life is very unpredictable, and you need to just make the most of every moment and don't keep like grudges inside your heart and let go. Life is too short.
And what do you make of this language war that is currently?
I don't think this is the platform to be talking about it.
Okay, I have a question. Nupur is also in the maker acting debut. What do you have to say about it? As a elder sister, do you give her advices, tips?
I mean, whenever she asks for it, I will give it. I'm also a little bit of a mummy to her, I feel. I have that habit of like nagging and telling her what to do and what not to do. But I try and stay away from it because I feel like it's her journey, it's her. She needs to find herself, you know, and it has to be her process. So I'm always there for her if she needs me, but I let her also be and fly and find her own space.
Which is your next project?
I'm still shooting for Ganpat with Tiger and I'm shooting for Shehzada with Karthik. So those are the 2 I'm yet to finish. And Adipurush is already done. It's going to release early next year. And Bhedia is also fully done. So I have about 4 projects yet to release. So really excited for the coming year.
आपने गणपत की bike चलाई, right? So how was the experience?
Very good. I mean, I've always wanted to learn how to ride a bike. I'm still not a pro at it, I'll be very honest, but I think it's a lot of fun, and we're lucky as actors that we get to learn things that we probably would have never learned had we not been where we are.
Kriti, Karthik has tested positive. If you would want to give out a message for him.
I already checked up on him. This is not the way to give him messages. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Hi Amrish, hope you're doing well. Lots of love.
कितने यहाँ पे विजुअल करते हैं विजुअल भी अभी ओके और थोड़ा सा बाय बाय आराम से यहाँ पे देखिए यहाँ पे
बोलो जल्दी जल्दी बोलो
जूम में परसों में
हाँ झूम में क्या करूँगा तुमने ऐसे आके बुला लिया पूछ चले मैं जा रहा हूँ क्या है बोलो ना
Love your performance in modern.
थैंक यू सो मच
So please tell us about your upcoming project.
अरे यार ये ना अभी ये अजीब सा एक प्रॉब्लम शुरू हुआ यू कांट रियली टेल अबाउट दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड दैट प्रोजेक्ट बट देयर इज लॉट्स हैपनिंग आई एम प्रीटी बिजी हाँ अरे यार तुम लोग कहाँ मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ यार तुम लोग भी बड़े हो जाओ It's, I think most probably end of July or August. Soon. It's better than the first one. तुम तो यार पिक्चर देख लेना जाके वो भी मैंने ही बोला है I'm not standing next to her.
Hey, hello everyone. Dolly, you were part of Big Boss. So I want to ask you how Big Boss has changed in terms of presence,
Big Boss has changed because I think through Big Boss, people have connected with me. They know me one-on-one now. People used to know me as an actor, but now they know me as a personality. And after Big Boss, I think I'm being loved so much, got so much of love, and I just can say thanks to everyone who has loved me in that.
are you friends with any of your contestants?
Afsana is there. So Afsana की तो शादी में भी हम लोग गए थे. So like that. Everybody is friends. Yeah, पूरा industry सब दोस्ती होते हैं. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Ma'am, photo for Mitra. 1 minute. He said, ma'am, please come this side.
बिल्कुल यार, he is the best host the nation has. मैं यार, अगर मुझे कोई परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी लगी आई माइट मिस इतना तो हम कर सकते हैं यार को एक्टर्स के लिए अपने.
हम लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं एंड फॉर आईफा एंड यू वांट टू से समथिंग.
वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. अंदर जाके परफॉर्मेंसेस देखेंगे एंड आईफा इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट अवार्ड्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड. हम लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं.
थोड़ा विजुअल है.
Thank you.
I'm wearing bespoke Gavin Miguel.
And how was the first day at IFA?
The first, like yesterday, it was fun, and I think today's just going to be bigger and better.
Because you are nominated.
Yeah, maybe.
So did you pray like should I be a win and something?
Did I pray?
Yeah.
That I win? No, I'm just really happy to be here. So that will just be an added benefit. Thank you.
Ma'am, photo. Ma'am, photo sir.
और to my right. आप हो तो इश्क तेरा तड़पावे ना बजे तो एक बार गाना.
तेरी मैं ता जागा रातां नू रोक ना पावा अखियां विचों वंदियां बरसातां नू से ओ हो इश्क तेरा तड़पावे. Thank you. Enjoy the evening.
Wait. Photo.
I'm very happy with the girl and Is this your first time? Oh yes, actually this is my first time Bollywood. Yeah.
This time we are seeing a lot of more South actors and actresses making their appearances at IFA. What is your opinion about it? Like, scenario is changing.
I feel cinema itself lines up with it. It's not about geography anymore. It's not about what language you speak. But I think the language gets simplified with good cinema. Everyone today wants to watch good content. You and I both have been exposed to different languages. Even something like Korean cinema, which we weren't exposed to back then. And we watch that. So I think language, geography matters as much. Good cinema matters. And I feel like that's why this line is blurring. That's why we see an exchange of actors, even internationally, not just on Indian ground.
One message that you want to give out to Indian today and also fans. So one message that you want to give out to India today and
I just want to say thank you all for loving me, giving me so much support. I hope I can create content that entertains you always, and I will always try my best. Lots of love to your brother.
Thank you so much. You're looking stunning.
Thank you. Hello, hi, how are you? Good. After a lifetime.
Tamanna with us on the iPhone.
फोन नीचे लेकर फोन लेके और इंडिया टुडे आज तक
है ना इधर आज तक?
सब है ना
सब है, चलिए।
ऐश्वर्या
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
We
met 2 weeks ago at the football match. Why wouldn't you play? I actually had broken my hand, so my hand is still healing. So the doctors didn't allow me to play. That's why. Had I played, we would have won. I'm sure you would.
Aishwarya, how was your Cannes experience?
As always, I think people have just been so loving. It's been such a challenging 2 years that as a community, the world has gone through that. I think with the world opening up, people coming back to these events, there's a lot of love in the air, there's a lot of warmth, there's a lot of positivity. So I think with that good feeling, it just has been, I think it's emotional. Look at how everyone's meeting each other and greeting each other. So I think that warmth is what we're all experiencing. We pray God keeps the world safe and healthy, and I think that's something we can't stop prioritizing. And at the same time, we're very, very grateful that we're here again together, celebrating our fraternity, our work, and getting to interact with each other. We're blessed.
It must be a special feeling to see your loved ones performing on stage. I want to know, did you remember Aradhya's first performance in school?
How sweet. You're asking a mother, of course. Yeah, why just that? I mean, she's my Jahan. Aradhya's my life. So everything about her will always remain permanently etched forever and beyond.
Aishwarya,
in my soul.
What is your checklist when you hit the red carpet every time?
Wow. At this point in time in life, it is just about to hit the red carpet or the green carpet. Priorities itne sare hain as far as the reality in life goes that you got the drift.
Thank you.
Aishwarya, one
The media we've met so far, that we're grateful that after such a trying time over the last 2.5 years that we all have gone through, and everybody watching as well. I think it's wonderful that this has actually come to be, that the fraternity can be here together celebrating our cinema, our work, sharing the love, and we get the chance to stand here in person and say thank you for all your prayers, your love, your support, and God bless, and we reciprocate the love right back.
In Amsterdam, you had a flower named
Namaskara, Saukya.
Aishwarya. Message to your fans in South Africa where you won your crown.
Yes, sorry, what was the question?
A message to your fans in South Africa where you won your crown.
I know, I mean, time's flown, but the love is still so strong, and thank you so much. And I'm blessed, and I keep saying this in absolute gratitude that you know, the memory is still so fresh. Thanks to your love, thanks for your support, and I've had a fabulous journey so far. I can't believe the time that's flown by. So.
You always make India proud, in fact. Like, you know, you were there in Cannes, and for so many years you have been doing that thing. We really, really appreciate that thing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
अर्जुन भाई इधर अपन इधर भी
So how's the Josh?
Very high, ma'am.
You are not. So are you expecting your win?
Fingers crossed for me.
I mean, who's just started his career 7 years back, for me to be nominated with these giants is a big deal, and I'm already very, very grateful. And feel blessed to just be a part of a film like Sardar Udham. So let's see, fingers crossed.
Congratulations on your winning.
Thank you.
Wonderful portrait.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. What's next?
Next, I'll be starting with Sam Bahadur, which is going to be directed by Meghna Gulzar. So I'll get to wear the army uniform again. So yeah, the prep is going to start soon.
Also, married life कैसी चल रही है?
बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, सुकून भरी चल रही है.
And how do you feel to be on the green carpet and looking एकदम handsome and smart?
Thank you, sir. It feels great to be on the green carpet. 2 साल बाद we are back at the awards and we are celebrating Hindi cinema again. So feels superb.
किसकी performance के लिए you're looking forward?
सबकी, I think Shahid, Ananya, Sara, everybody, they are great performers. I think मैं टाइगर की मिस करके आऊँगा because उनकी पहली performance थी. But really looking forward to everyone's performances.
How's Katrina? You're
It's very good.
आप लोग दोनों together,
Yes, hopefully the next time. But sorry, I'll tell her that. Yeah.
You're missing it together on the green carpet. आप दोनों.
I'm missing us together as well. Thank you.
Can you say how's the Josh and you will say
How's the Josh?
hi sir?
Thank you.
Visual करते हैं. So you're right.
Yes, sir.
So you're right.
Thank you. Please, for Vicky, any message for Dubai, please? Love you, Dubai. Dubai, love you. How are you?
Which bike we're doing? Oh, on this. We do ANI INS Ashram.
कैसा लग रहा है वाईफाई? सॉरी.
वाईफाई चला के.
कैसा लग रहा है?
देखो हमारा फर्स्ट टाइम आईफा में है तो बहुत एक्साइटेड है और सलमान भाई की परफॉर्मेंस है उसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड.
really excited because first time है and किसी भी एक्टर के लिए I think IFA is the biggest dream. So yeah, looking forward for it.
अबू धाबी कैसा लगा?
अभी तो हमें अबू धाबी घूमने का टाइम नहीं मिला है, but the views from our rooms are amazing.
Breathtaking.
Yeah, Yas Island is beautiful. वो तो already हमने pictures and videos में देखा है, but yeah, we can't wait to explore.
And हमने होटल से देखा तो बाहर जेट स्कीज चल रहे हैं और people are having a good time here. So I think it is the next destination to be.
What's your upcoming project?
So there is one big upcoming project this year itself, and fingers crossed you'll get to know it soon, like super soon. Thank you so much.
कैसा लग रहा है अबू धाबी आके?
अबू धाबी आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आईफा पहली बार अटेंड कर रही हूँ तो इट्स माई डेब्यू एट आईफा. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड एंड आई एम ऑल्सो नॉमिनेटेड फॉर बेस्ट एक्टर फॉर पगलेट, तो उसकी भी एक्साइटमेंट अलग है.
किसको देखना चाहोगे आप आईफा में?
सबको देख रही हूँ मैं, बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. एंड आई जस्ट सॉ टाइगर श्रॉफ्स परफॉर्मेंस एंड आई कैन से फॉर श्योर दैट ही इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मर. आई वाज क्वाइट ब्लोन अवे. बहुत अच्छा डांस करते हैं वो एंड एक बारी भी वो थके नहीं अपनी परफॉर्मेंस में, विच वॉज माइंड ब्लोइंग टू सी. थैंक यू.
लेकिन 1 मिनट आगे लगा हुआ है. Jacqueline, 1 minute.
Okay.
कितना excited हो आईफा को लेकर?
Very excited. Tonight's a big night for everybody. It's IFA after 2 years. So I think all of the artists are very excited to be here today and watching everyone perform. It's great.
किसका परफॉर्म ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा आपको?
अभी I only saw सिर्फ टाइगर की performance देखा. It was crazy to be like just watching that in live. लेकिन अभी सब बाकी है तो मैं जा रही हूँ. Thank you.
एक विजुअल हो, एक विजुअल.
फोटो. Nora, wait here. Nora, wait. Photo.
फोटो कर देगा पहले आपका हेलो भी साइड 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 साइड
सूरज इधर
हम यहाँ राइट साइड
I never imagined such an amazing experience and glowing. Yeah. So.
Nan, he's calling you.
Where's Nayandi?
Ma'am, Nora ma'am. Nora, look here, look straight. Nora.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so, ma'am. Nora, ma'am.
Come look. Nora, look here. Give me a smile. You just did the best performance IFA's ever seen. Smile, come on.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.